Wait, if you say, I want a coffee, it sounds rude. Say this instead if you want to sound natural. Hi, good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, I want a coffee.
You can say, I'd like a coffee, or can I get a coffee?
Oh, okay, got it. I'd like a coffee, please.
Great. What kind of coffee would you like?
What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular, and the cappuccino is strong.
I'll try a latte.
Good choice. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Do you want any sugar or syrup?
Yes, can I have a little sugar?
Of course. Anything else?
Actually, do you have any snacks?
Yes, we have croissants, muffins, and cookies.
I'll take a chocolate croissant.
Perfect. So that's 1 iced latte and 1 chocolate croissant.
That's right.
Your total is $6.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait over there.
Sure, thanks.
Iced latte for John. You're
That's me. Thank you.
welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Shadowing practice. I'd like a latte, please. I'd like a latte, please. I'd like a latte, please. Can I get an iced latte? Can I get an iced latte? Can I get an iced latte? Did you notice the difference? Comment. Polite if you learn something new. Or tell me, hot coffee or iced coffee? Don't forget to like and follow for more real-life English.